SYG Tech is here, Stefan is here. How's it going, guys? Welcome back for another video. In today's video, I have another video for you for headphones. If you like headphones, I have the Studio Pro. The box is a little bit smashed for some reason. I was a little bit extremely excited to open this box. This doesn't sound appropriate, I think. But anyway, so when I opened the box, I just cut it a little bit with the knife. Actually, I had these headphones for quite a while, probably about 6-7 months, and I didn't do the review. Actually, I didn't test it. I don't know how they sound. I was using my I think the model is Y80B for nearly a year, maybe. And these ones actually are very, very good. We're gonna compare them with Studio Pro born for DJ. So these ones are DJ headphones. And actually, I didn't have any complaints about the Y80B, such an interesting name. And I did like these ones. The design is pretty good. They're very comfortable, actually. They're Bluetooth and wire. Up to 50 hours playtime. And I didn't have any complaints. They swivel. Charging time is about 3 hours. They don't have a fast charging time. They're flexible, easy. And they're very comfortable. Very good. Definitely, I recommend these ones. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased the headphones on my own. So let's see now what is the deal about these headphones. Everything I mentioned in the video is going to be in the link in the description below, like button. So make sure that you subscribe and like it to see more cool videos. So let's open it and let's see what comes in the box. All right, put this on the side. So the first thing that you can see is gonna be OneOdio. This is like a survey information, or if you're not happy about a service, a card. There's a QR code here behind here, you know, with some information. Also, we have the user manual, as you can see here. OneOdio, and basically how to use headphones. So some of the specifications of the headphones, they're 50 millimeters. So frequency response is 20 hertz, 40 kilohertz, 32 ohms. So they're not quite very 32 ohms. I think is okay in my opinion. I think this is the standard. I think 32 ohm. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm not an audio file, but we'll see. Impedance 110 dB. Pretty much there's some other information here, but yeah, you should check the user manual for more information. Also, we have two types of cables, which again, this is always good in my opinion, and I'm gonna tell you why. So we have the standard 3.5 to 3.5 cable, as you can see here. And also we have a 6.3 from other side and 3.5. This is brilliant in my opinion. This is crazy. So we're gonna test that in a second. And let me leave the box here. And actually the headphones comes with a really nice posh case. This is not a case, actually. It's just a carrying pouch. It's not from leather, but I think it's a good way. Interesting. And now the headphones. All right, so in a first glance, they're very similar to the previous one. So let me put this here on the side just to have a better idea. So they look similar in my opinion, but these ones, the cushions are quite big in my opinion. As you can see here, they're quite big. These ones are not so big. I don't know if I like that. We'll see how they sound. These ones are just wired, so they're not Bluetooth. They look similar, so we'll see how is the sound profile. So first impressions, very good in my opinion. These are DJ style headphones. They swivel, they move, they're quite flexible if you have a big head. If you have a standard head, this is gonna be okay as well. But personally, I think it's gonna be good for any head in my opinion. Let me make sure that they are exactly the same. They're very adjustable, easy. Let's test it now. Wow, they're very comfortable actually. Very comfortable. Actually, I think they are more comfortable than the Y80B for some reason. Definitely very comfortable. I was a little bit skeptic about the discussions because they're quite big. I don't know how I look. Do I look good? Let me know in the comments down below if you like this style of headphones. But I think they look nice. And now, the moment of truth. Let's test it. So let's see now. I'm gonna use the red cable because it's nice. So let's put some music here in the meantime, just to have idea how they compare. Let me mute this for just a second. Let's play some music, just any type of music. I'm gonna play music from my Mac, so I'm very curious to try this 6.3-inch cable, so let's do it now. This is more professional in my opinion. And let's plug it to my Mac. Alright, so let's test it right now. Just I'm gonna play random music from Alright, so for some reason I hope the microphone doesn't pick up the sound, otherwise I'm gonna get a copyright. But first impressions. Woo! They are very loud, and actually the sound quality is similar to the Y80B, but I feel these ones are a little bit bass heavy. I think the bass on the Pro-50 is a little bit much better in my opinion. So if you like bassy music, if you like a little bit more bassy sound profile, I think these ones is gonna be good for you. So let me play something else. Let me play something different just to have idea. I hope the mic doesn't pick up the sound, otherwise I'm gonna get a copyright, which is not nice. All right, so let me try the Y80B, I think. So let me see if there's any difference of the sound, just to make sure that I do the right comparison, because I want to give you the right information about these headphones, because all right, so now let me try the YB 80. Okay, so already have idea about the sound quality. And just one more time, let me use the Pro-50s. All right. Wow. All right. So basically, these ones are very similar to the Y80Bs. They're very, very similar, but the only difference is just the bass. So if you like bass, I think these ones are great. Actually, I like it a lot. The sound quality is very good. And they're very comfortable. This is one of the cool features, if you can say feature, but they're very, very comfortable. Comparing the Y50s, Y80s. Yeah, these ones are comfortable, but here on the top I feel a little bit pressure for some reason. But when I put the pros, yeah, this is completely different. So comfort, 10 out of 10. I think these ones are very good. These ones I rate probably about 7. They're not bad though, but yeah, these ones are very good. Definitely recommend these ones. I had it nearly a year and no complaints whatsoever. These ones actually is gonna be the newest ones, and I'm gonna use them for a couple of weeks, months, and then I'm gonna give you my full review. Should I say, do I recommend, do I not recommend? But I had these ones for a long time. This is the box. I'm gonna put everything in the descriptions down below, so check that out. Not sponsored video, by the way. But yeah, let me know what do you think. I think these ones are very, very good so far. First impressions, very good. Comfortable, 10 out of 10. Music, very good. They're very similar to the Y80C. I just forgot the name. It's CY80B. But yeah, these ones so far very good. I'm gonna give you my recommendation, if I recommend them, obviously after a couple of months, because I want to use them for a couple of months just to give you the perfect idea. Should you buy these ones or no? But if you like headphones with similar profile of the Audio Technica AHM50s, I think it's called. These ones are very good. Sound quality very good, battery very good, comfortable. Definitely recommend these ones. So SYG Tech is here. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know what do you think. Which headphones do you use at the moment at this video right now? Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It's free. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.